Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the device in front of you. Power it on if possible because live access is fastest. Once done, make sure you know whether it's a laptop or tower since locations differ. If the machine won't start, plan to inspect exterior labels or open the panel safely. This is why a flashlight and a non-magnetic screwdriver are helpful. You'll save time by deciding now whether you'll read the label, check the BIOS, or use software utilities next. You should try the BIOS first because the service tag is embedded in firmware and visible there. Restart and press F2 or F12, then read the service tag or serial field. If you're in Windows, use Command Prompt and run wmic BIOS get serial number. That returns the exact tag. Meanwhile, check exterior locations like under removable batteries, on the underside, or near ports because many Dell units also display a printed or engraved tag. You can run Dell Support Assist or the Dell Online tool to auto-detect the service tag. This is convenient and prevents transcription errors. If the tag is physically missing, check inside the chassis for a motherboard sticker or the original box and receipts because manufacturers sometimes include it there. If you still can't find the tag, contact Dell Support and provide purchase details or the system configuration. They can help locate records. One troubleshooting tip. If BIOS reports unknown, reset CMOS battery briefly and recheck to force detection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.